President Duterte has a new PSG commander. He appointed Army Colonel Jesus Durante III to lead the Presidential Security Group. Durante replaced Brigadier General Jose Niembra. The President thanked the new PSG chief for stepping up to the challenge.
I trust that under your supervision, the PSG will be able to continue the excellent provision of security to the office of the President, to my family as well, and to the visiting heads of state, diplomats. I look forward to working with you in the coming months.
Durante assured the public the PSG will sacrifice life and limb to protect the president. He advised PSG troopers to leave the critics behind. Durante is a member of the Philippine Military Academy Tanglaw Diwa class of 1992. He holds a master's degree in defense analysis from the Naval Postgraduate School in the U.S.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.